next door is this little one. Let's see if we can get this one open. It's terrible really, we all have our favourite picks we like using. Here we go, there's my favourite tension bar. I'm sure he put some spray in it. Is it? This one hasn't been opened in years. Oh, don't sound good. Cool. This one feels real nasty. Tell you what, before I get any spray, let's give it a little EPG, see what happens. Unless I've got spray in my bag, otherwise I'm going to be lazy. I'll just try as is. Yeah, I'll be lazy. Try as is. Right. I put two mufflers on my camera now, so stack them on top of each other, so hopefully the audio will be a bit better, but no my luck, it won't. Right. Get this in here. Get this done up. Right. In, pull out. Oh. Oh. Oh, that does not sound good. I think I'm going to have to get some spray. What do you get? That does not sound good at all. Just feel a bit cack-handed. Getting nothing. Oh, little clicks. Alright, I'm going to go to the van and get some WD. Back in a sec.
A few moments
right,
later.
just like magic. Little spray. I want to give it a little try first with a little rake, just to see. I could be lucky. Rake is all down to tension. I want to try a little bit of raking and picking. Can't navigate around that. maybe. You know what? I'm messing around doing this just because I can. But there's a far easier way of doing it. I'm just going to try the EPG one more time. It's starting to get wet. I'm starting to get wet. Now we'll try bloody rain. Oh. No, I'm gonna mess around. So I'll get wet. Sod that. Much easier way of getting in. Dip-dee. Dip-dee-doo. Oh. Oh, phone. Back in a sec. Right, back again. Right, so what I'm doing is I'm getting my wire bender. Oh, if I can. I'm just doing that, and hopefully go onto the latch and pull it open. Hopefully it all goes to plan. Could end up going stupidly wrong. Come on, there's the latch. Come on. Really? There we go. Oh my lord. That is old and rusty. And he's tightening up. Right, that's that one done. It's got a change barrel on there. And now the cylinder change. What have they got? Little cloth. There's whole things. Right. Can't be that old though, the posies. So get these out. Bloody loud helicopter. Oh, it's mates. All right, Nigel. Oh, look at that. Is that one of the nasty spiders? Is it? Yeah. Don't know. It's gone. He's done a runner. Alright. If this didn't even cut this tail down. I must cut the screws down there. Yeah. At least I can use the old screws. Come on. Right. Here we go. Start losing the screws. Lovely. Epoxy thing. Right. Oh crap, I just realised I've put the 6-pin in there. That's a 5-pin that's come out. That's a little bit longer. I want to see literally the back. Oh, the cylinder there. That's close. Right, I'm going to cut this down a bit. I'm going to cut it down loads and loads, but there we go. Job done. It's easy to get on. This ain't going to line up, is it? Because it's further back. Oh yeah, it's working. Cool. Alright. A bit snotty at the moment. Okay, that's that one done. Right. Now I've just got this door to take off and plane it down. Oh, the screws are missing. It'll be fun. Right. See what percentage I've got on my battery.